To start the fishtail braid off, you will separate the hair into two sections. You will take a section from the outside and put it on the inside of the other piece of hair. Grab a small section from the outside and move it to the inside of the other section of hair. Keep in mind, you need to keep the two sections of hair still separate as you move the outside pieces to the inside. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. You will continue to grab small sections of hair from the outside and move them to the inside until you're to the end.